Day 24 ng 5K plan. Hindi pa ako makatulog kagabi. Anyway, this will also be the last week ng ating training ng Faster 5K. And then, the next week, iba ng training plan. So, more of maintenance lang yun. Easy run lang tayo today. Itong session na to, 25 minutes lang. Siguro extend na lang natin up to 30 minutes. Dahil easy run lang tayo, ang gagamitin nating sapatos, try natin ang Hawkwell shoes. Let's go! Day 24, session dahan. Okay, so 30 minutes lang siya. Dahil easy run, let's make our easy days easy. Sabi nga nila, yan, pambabuild ng aerobic base. So ito lang ang session natin today. Kailangan ko na pumasok ng maaga. Time check, natapos tayo mga 5:08 a.m. O diba ang aga? Laters! Good morning! Time check! 5:06 a.m. So medyo tanghali na tayo. Tanghali na compared kahapon. So ayun, easy run ulit. 20 minutes lang ito. Parang puro easy run tayo for the first 3 days ng scheduled run. And then meron tayong isang long run sa end of this week. Actually, dalawa. Kasi minamiss ako isang session. So, ayun lang. 20 minutes, pero gagawin natin 25 minutes. Diba? So, let's just make our easy days easy. Easy! Laters! Day 25, session done. So, actually 26 minutes siya para sinakto ko na 3 kilometers ang aking tatakbuhin. So, ito lang ang session natin today. Let's prepare our body to our 2 long runs at the end of the week. So, yun lang. Laters. Good morning. Day 26. Easy run na naman tayo na session. 25 minutes. Good morning. Time check 5:07 a.m. So, maka-extend ko ulit ng 30 minutes. Laters! Right, day 26, session done. 30 minutes tayo. Total of 3.3 kilometers. So, 2 miles yon. Medyo mabagal ang pacing natin. Hindi tayo sumunod dun sa dapat pacing. So, bawi na lang tayo. Ewan ko ba, antok na antok ako. Anyway, ito lang ang session for today. Laters! Good morning! Day 27. Active rest day. So, maglo-long run tayo. Ang session na to will last for 44 minutes. Let's take it slow. And then, probably we'll take a rest day tomorrow and then run again on Sunday. That would be the last run for this week and for this training phase. Let's go! Okay, day 27, session done. Medyo nakakapagod siya kasi yung slow pace ko dapat medyo naging fast pace. Anyway, this will be the only session today dahil may bazaar kami later because it's the Christmas season. Bukod sa gastos, kailangan din natin kumita. Ayan, laters! Good morning! Day 28. Last session sa training phase na to. Tapos magsisimula na tayo agad for the maintaining phase. Medyo late na. Okay lang, weekend naman. Itong session na to, let's try to run for 5 kilometers, 3.1 miles. Parang combination na to ng training natin for the past 28 days. Day 28. Laters! Day 28, session done. 5 kilometers, 36 minutes. Wala pa rin. Hindi ko pa rin makakuha 30 minutes. Tapos, taas pa rin ang heart rate ko. So, sa mga susunod na araw, try natin tumakbo ng mabilis. sa mas mababang heart rate. Siguro ang target na heart rate ko sa mga nasa 150, 140s to 150s. Kasi yung heart rate ko kanina, nasa 165 to 171. So mataas yun. Nasa threshold na ako. Para ako nagtitemporan sa bawat kilometer. Anyway, so see you sa unang araw ng another training phase. Akong susunod na training phase, parang maintenance phase na lang to. As we transition to the 10 kilometers na training phase natin. Yun lang. Lalakad pa ako to cool down. See you later. Good morning. Day 1 na ating bagong fitness plan. Pati ba madilim? Time check. 5:05 a.m. So, nagsisimula na ako kasi medyo late. Let's go! Okay, day 1 session. Done. So, itong phase na to, tawagin natin itong phase 1.5. So, ang pag-build natin ng stamina para hindi tayo mawala sa running. At least active pa rin yung body natin. Nakakondition pa rin siya to running kahit na holiday season at puro kain. Anyway, so itong session na to lasted for 40 minutes. Bale, actually dalawang runs ang ginawa ko. Yung isa, kasi since day 1 ito ng bagong training plan, may fitness assessment pa. So parang warm up ko na yon. And then, na 31 minutes ako na interval run. So, ang interval na to run walk. Kaya, yun. So, tomorrow ulit. Ito lang session today. Laters. Good morning. Day 2 ng training phase 1.5. Medyo malat ako. Kasi nag-party kagabi. For anything else, time check muna. 4:51 a.m. Anyway, 31 minutes lang tong session. Fart like run tayo. Okay. Laters. Okay, day 2 session done. So total lang 31 minutes for fart like run. So interval run din to. So alam nyo na, paus pa rin ako. So medyo maulan yung run natin. Ambon-ambon. But it's okay. I'm a runner. Ulan lang yan. Yan. Laters. Good morning. Day 3 ng ating phase 1.5 training plan. So today, tatakbo tayo ng 10 kilometers dahil may sinalihan akong virtual race. So nag-warm up na ako today. Medyo late na sa mga ating usual starts. Laters. By the way, kung 10 kilometers natin na i-attempt na takbuhin, easy run lang tayo all throughout. And then, we'll get ready also for our run tomorrow. Nag-rest day tayo kahapon, so let's give our all today. Okay, day 3, session 1 done. Actually, natapos ko bigla yung session. So, hindi natin nakuha tumakbo ng 10K today. So, mga 5K lang tayo. Mga 5.5, mga almost 5.6 kilometers na natakbo natin today. I-attempt ulit natin tomorrow sa ating long run. Ay, okay. Laters. Good morning. Day 4 ng ating phase 1.5 training. So, long run today. Attempt na natin mag 10 kilometers. Dahil lumamo na naman tayo sa party kagabi because it's a time of the year. Okay, laters. Sa Manila Memorial tayo. Yeah! Sara natin na to. Dala tayong energy gel. Yan. Ito ang aking energy gel. Honey steamer. Flavor. Kahit pomegranate. Meron pa ako isang energy gel na ginagamit. BuzzFeed. Pero try natin to. Okay, laters. Okay, day 4 session done. Nakabalik na tayo dito sa condo from Manila Memorial. Naka 10 kilometers na. Thank you, Lord, for the strength. Anyway, thank you for watching of another episode of Mokmay Learns to Run. So I'll see you on the next video. Stay safe and healthy. Peace!